Alright guys, welcome back. Let's quickly do this. Let's quickly work on the WhiteBoarder is one of the apps. So let's say you want to create a whiteboard video for someone or for yourself. So all you need to do is just to come here and then choose one of these whiteboard templates. Let's go. Okay, let's go with this. Just need to see that with the video ad architects. So just for the editor to load up. That's a bit slow. Okay, so the editor is up now, and then we have just 5 scenes in this video. So what you want to do is just edit the text as I showed you before, and then pay attention to the maximum character that you can type. This 20, this 15, this 25, this 30. So when you are done editing the text, you click on next. Then this thing too. So with this thing too, you can okay, so you can do the editing as well, and change the image. Let's get another image there for okay, maybe I can just use this one. I just use that image. The image doesn't make sense anyway. So I just wanted you to see how you can change your image. Just select an image, then you upload it on your computer. Then you click on next. And then from there you can do the normal editing, edit the text, and then change the image too if you want to. Of course, it's always advisable that you change all the image in the video so that this is will be unique. So then you click next, which will take us to the fourth scene, and then you edit the text. Next, and then you put in your details. So with the detail on your client detail, your office address, if you want to use office address, or your email address, or phone number, the website, then you click the logo, and then you click on next. Then you want to choose the color we want to use. So let's just use this, and then next. Okay, so this way you choose the program. As you can see, it's the same process like the video ad, and now that's how it is for all of them, except the video, the custom video effect, which I've already explained in another video. So choose your music, choose the one you want to use, and then just click on the plus sign to be added to the top of the image. It's already added there. You click on next, and you'll be able to render the video. Start rendering. I won't render it because I don't use the video, so that I don't waste time on it. So when you are done rendering, you can now go back to your own page, then go to projects if I have any already done projects. Okay, let me see if I have projects that I've already done. Okay, so I have, okay, all the projects I have here are still in draft. I've not rendered them. So of course, once you are done with the work, you just click on the video and then you download it. That's all. And it's the same way you do on all of them, all of the apps. So thanks for watching, guys.